Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can sell Monopoly Go stickers. So first up, open up your Monopoly Go app and then basically tap on this album right here at the bottom right to see all your stickers and cards available on your Monopoly Go. As you can see right here, so basically we have to select any of the sample. So here you can actually sell Monopoly Go stickers that have some duplicates. So for example, here we have some sticker with a duplicate. So basically, you just need to select that sticker and just tap on the send to friend button. Once you tap on send to friend, you will basically find this page as you can see. And here you just need to select any of your friend that you want to sell your Monopoly Go sticker. But unfortunately here we don't have any buttons to sell your sticker and receive some payments. But the only thing that you can do is basically once you send that sticker, just need to contact your friend and you can talk about the payment methods. But what we have here is exchange options. So if you're going to select your friend and able to enable or toggle on this exchange or make an exchange option, then you can basically just exchange this sticker and let them to pay your stickers with another sticker. So that's the only way thing here to basically sell your Monopoly Go stickers. Either you can personally contact your friends and talk about the payment methods, or you can just receive another sticker. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.